Welcome back to PUNKYS WORLD. I have another thing I need to take apart to see if I can fix. Can I do it? I don't know. I'm gonna take you along for the ride though. So let's quit the BS and let's get to it. That's right. So this battery is not working at all. And it is not a true Ryobi style battery. This is a knockoff brand. And I just happen to be using this in my cutoff tool. Work this battery. God, I got another battery. And the battery shorted out. I don't know why it shorted out. It's not even that old, but you know, it's definitely not the same quality as a Ryobi battery. But I was a cheap ass and decided to go with it, and now it doesn't work. So, can I fix it or not? Let's figure it out. So one of the first things I'm gonna do is, just because it's dirty, I'm just gonna give it a quick spray off just to clean it. Why? Well, I don't know. I don't want to deal with a bunch of dirt on there, and it's just better. Why not? It take me 2 seconds to spray this down, give it a little quick wiping. Look at that. It's gonna be, look at it. It's like, not brand new, but it's good. So let's do a quick little test here. It's not turning on. I'm not getting any voltage out of it. And we're gonna see that theory through. Put it on 20. Nothing. Nothing's coming out of here at all. Nothing. Let's try milliamps. Yeah, it's like nothing. There's no voltage coming out of this. It's nothing. Zero. Zip. All right, so we determined it has no voltage coming out of this battery here. Nothing's coming on. Junk. So let's get into the heart of this thing and let's take it apart. Here we go. All right, so I have a T10 Torx, and I'm gonna start unscrewing the Torx on this battery here. So here we go. Just take our time, unscrew it. Be nice if I had a bit for my screw gun, but you know, I don't. It's cool. That way I can stay here and just keep talking to you a little more, I guess. So these batteries, I gotta say, like, and my problem is I'm guilty. I'm cheap. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I'm cheap when it comes to these batteries, because each one of these batteries is like $100 from Ryobi. But I've had a lot of problems with these batteries over the years. And I know there's so many different Chinese manufacturers out there, but I was hoping to find one that maybe didn't use subpar wiring or whatever the case may be. And we'll figure that out once we're inside of her. Oh, yeah. Getting a workout with these hands. All right. Coming loose. Okay, screws are right there. Oh, look at that. Okay. Now, what do you think we're gonna find? Let us see. I wonder. See, these are spring-loaded too, so FYI. We might have to take those out anyways. To get all the chunks of shit out of there. Yeah, I think we will. Okay. Take that one off. Take that off. Okay. Look at that. Let's see. Where are we at here? Where is our problem child? You know what? I'm just gonna remove this. Let's see what the heck is going on with this. Make our lives a little bit easier. Okay. All right, so let's see what we can find. Oh, is that a problem? What is that? No. Okay. Oh, look at this. this is broken right here. Interesting. Well, that would do it, I would think. Yeah, look at that. See, it's not working now. Now it's working. Wow. Let's see if we can't solder that and fix that to make it work. If we can solder that. Guess we'll find out. I'm gonna give it a college dropout try. That's the least we can do. And see if we can't just put a weld right there, some solder, and fix it. I make no guarantee on that. But I do have some thicker solder here. 2% flux, 1.5 millimeter. Let's try it. Might be thick enough that we can do some sort of damage. Okay. So I got my soldering iron and she's heating up, as you can see. We're gonna get it to like 400 degrees and see if we have some luck with this. I don't know. I don't know that I can solder that. It's kind of a crapshoot on whether I can solder that, but I'm gonna try at least. I don't have a spot welder to replace this strapping right here. I do have some spare strapping for it, but these are spot welded to the batteries, so we're gonna just see if I can do a quick little solder repair on that and then call it gravy. And if not, well, I guess we won't be fixing this one. Womp womp. Okay, so we are heated up to 480 degrees Celsius. And another thing I'm gonna do, just because I have minimal amount of hands, I have 2 hands, I'm just gonna take a piece of tape and I'm gonna put it against the battery block right here so that it pushes towards it, so it holds it in place ultimately. If that'll work, we'll see. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. I make no guarantee it's gonna hold, but gotta try it, man. Or man. That's doing better. Now it's staying on at least. Okay. Here goes nothing. Turn it down a little bit. I know there's gonna be people in the comments saying that's not how you do it, blah blah blah, but I'm just working with what I got, because it's what I got. I said remember that. Okay, got 2 little beads there. Let's see, I'm gonna take this off. And what do you know? It's working. Okay. For how long, I don't know. But it is working. So that's cool. Well, I mean, it is fixed. So we're able to, I mean, it's a little bit bigger, but let's see if it'll fit in the case. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Brother. Okay. Sweet. I like it. know what we're gonna do also? I'm just gonna put a dab of liquid electric tape on it. Just a dab. Just a dab. Cool. Alright, it's a little more than a dab, but whatevers. Whatever. Thing is, I don't want to spend money buying a new pack. They won't warranty this one either. And I don't have a little tack welder to replace the connector piece in there. So this is the other option for me. And if it lasts, cool. If not, alright, well then I'll have to do something else. But at least it's gonna function for a while. Alright, we're gonna confirm that this repair worked. We're gonna test it on the meter. There we go. Hopefully you can read that. Okay, I'm gonna take the battery pack. And is this positive or negative? We're gonna find out. There we go, look at that. We got a reading. It's alive, baby, it's alive. Let's put this son of a bitch back together. Here we go. But first, we're gonna do a whole wipe down on this thing. So, I'm gonna get some spray. I'm gonna clean all this. Make it look nice, clean, and fancy. Like it's brand new, even though it's not. Because we're in here, we might as well, right? Like, if we have the time to clean it, let's just clean it. Let's not do a half-assed job on it. I mean, granted, the little solder job was probably a half-assed job on it, but I mean, it's gonna work. And that's something else I'll have to invest in, is a little tack welder. They're even like the size of like soldering pens. It just goes psh, psh, and it solders onto batteries. Okay, this part is clean enough for me. We got all that funk inside of there. We don't want the funk, so we're gonna spray the funk. There we go. Nice and cleaner now. Put that together. And look at me go. I'm gonna spray the battery pack down a little bit and just give it a quick little wiping. Why not? Clean everything up. It's still working. Oh yeah. So lettuce, arugula lettuce, a lettuce salad. Let us put this pack back together. All right, so this deal came out. This is kind of the spring. This is the spring deal for the release clips right here. So we're gonna mirror this one right here, and we're gonna slide it into there like so. Cool. Good deal. We're gonna take our battery pack. We're gonna drop her in like that. Woohoo! Then, oh, I didn't clean these, so might as well just spray them in real quick. Get them a little wipe down. Okay, look at that. Perfect. This one is a runner up and going to get nice and spotless there. Okie dokie, artichokey. All right. So, that makes sense. I had it reversed. So, okay, I made a mistake. Let's pull this out. There we go. Now we're squirting putty. Okay, hey, everybody makes mistakes. That's actually a song by that's actually sung in a song by LCD Sound System.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Alright, clips are doing their thing. Coolio. Got this deal in there like this. We're gonna slide her on in. Okay. Cool. So this small screw goes into the top part of the battery, where it connects to the screw gun or whatever accessory you're using. We'll pop that one in first like this, and we'll throw our other Torx in. Look at that. Oh, it's a thing of beauty. We're gonna put on our last screw, and we're gonna see if this pack holds a load, or can take a load at least. Take a load. That's funny. All right, let's try it. Look at that. We have successfully fixed the battery, and that's kind of all it is to it. Comes out well, and it's done. It's perfect. Perfect. I can still be cheap and still keep going. I'll give you an update on how long this lasts, but it was a pretty good weld. Didn't feel like it was going anywhere. I used some thick solder here, so we'll see how it goes. Anyways, we'll see you on the next episode. Cheers! Woo!